Learning English with laughter. How comedy expands your vocabulary. Level up your English skills. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up for a joyride through the worlds of Adele and Leonardo DiCaprio, where the only seatbelts are made of Oscar nominations and Grammy awards. Now, I'm not saying their success is intimidating, but my last accomplishment was successfully microwaving popcorn without burning it. Thanks for making me feel inadequate, Leo and Adele. Let's dive deeper into the enigma that is Leonardo DiCaprio. This man has been in the industry so long that if Hollywood had a senior discount, he'd be first in line. Leo is like the Dorian Gray of Tinseltown, ageless and eternally flawless. Meanwhile, the rest of us are over here checking for gray hairs and wondering if our wrinkles can be considered laugh lines or if we're just really good at frowning. Adele, the heartbreak virtuoso, has a voice that could bring a tear to the eye of even the most stoic of statues. I tried singing one of her songs in the shower, and my shampoo bottle filed a noise complaint. If Adele wrote a breakup song about my love life, it would probably be titled The Ballad of Single and Clueless. Now, Leo's on-screen romances are more dramatic than a Shakespearean tragedy. He's been in more love stories than I've had Netflix binges, and that's saying something. Watching him in Titanic makes me realize my relationships are sinking faster than the ship. Leo's like the James Bond of relationships, just without the tuxedos and with more icebergs. But can Leo break hearts like Adele? Adele has that magical touch. She turns heartbreak into Grammy gold. If Leo tried that, he'd probably end up with a script for a romantic comedy instead of an Academy Award. And the Oscar for the most heartwarming breakup scene goes to Leonardo DiCaprio. Picture that acceptance speech. Adele and Leonardo DiCaprio are like the gods of their respective realms, music and movies. They've set the bar so high that the rest of us are just trying to clear the low hurdles in the race of life. Thanks for the inspiration, Leo and Adele, and for making us laugh, cry, and question our life choices.